Overtech black orange. Nice, very colorful. I like. Vent in the front, on top. It's good. Nice. Single visor, SRP 3,800 pesos. Inside is nice also. This is good. I like it. Large size, 59 to 60, 1,450 grams. Look nice. Overtech orange black. Look good. Apart from KYT helmet, we also have Titicos dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Repro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available. So you just have to check in the link in the description for eClaw by Manila on Facebook and just send us a message.